myself and singing along to a beautiful tune, we're feeling alone. You won't even notice when I'm gone. The minutes are kicking in, but the show goes on. There's something in the air that's making me feel that nothing from my past is supposed to heal. It's like a waiting up on death row. Whenever it may come, better trigger all my layers to face what I've become. You're waiting at death row, letting all the pain go away. And by the time they figure out my symptoms, I'll be waiting for my death row. Lifting the walls while digging the floor. Found a reflection, it was made out of more. You won't even notice when I'm gone. The minutes are kicking in, but the show goes on.